only a little, and pull up on this guy. Get a nice spark. And it doesn't have to be fast. It has to be firm in the right angle. Not always getting in 1 or 2 shots. I might need about 10, but you can see that it starts. Now, fold just a little in the middle. So I just want that little dab. So I want lots of little dry ends near there that can catch a spark. I'm just doing this because I'd be cooking, I have the oil, the paper towel, and this is what I come out to do at the barbecue. But another fire starter that I haven't seen yet. I'll get some spark in there, a little bit of oil, and let's go. So remember, pointing towards the pile, firm pressure down, you're going to jerk a little, and a little bit of pulling up. You get a good spark. It's not about speed. Nice kind of steady draws. Now the oil is underneath there, but you can see a bit of a corner caught here already. I'm sweating because it's like 35 degrees today. And you get a lot more ignition with just a little bit of oil. We're even seeing some of the paper towel maybe not burning because it's in some oil that was left in the bottom of the pan. And it's just going to suck the oil up into the wicking end of that paper. This gives you a good long burn time if you have some wet fuel and you're trying to dry it out, and a decent amount of flame. And you can increase that by more surface area with oil, really. So use a bigger piece of paper towel, a little bit more oil. You can spread that out or make a couple little balls. You do want that drier area where you can get that spark. This is something you got to practice. I remember sitting there hundreds of times on a weekend. I've got all these shavings, but they're not quite dry. They're not quite fine enough. It's wet outside. Just take your time. Usually the faster you go, the less it's going to work. Now I'm going to put this one out. You can see it goes quite a while. Only a little, and pull up on this guy. Get a nice spark. And it doesn't have to be fast. It has to be firm in the right angle. Not always getting in 1 or 2 shots. I might need about 10, but you can see that it starts.